Come on, Phil.
In a dog's world, the future is far less important than what's right under its nose. But more time with your pup, the latest goal from doggy pharma companies. Now that's intriguing for owners.
He's just an old man. He's an old soul. The more research that came out about it, I think I would be interested.
One company is making some headway. Loyal giving NBC News a letter from the FDA saying its drug meant to increase dogs' lifespans just met one of the many conditions needed on its way to market approval. Loyal's hopes that its shot every 3 to 6 months could slow the aging process in big dogs over 40 pounds that typically have shorter lifespans, giving you possibly an extra year of cuddles, fetch, and slobbery kisses.
It compensates for what we believe drives that big dog short lifespan post-maturity.
Celine Haliwa, founder and CEO of Loyal, says the drug lowers the production and release of proteins called growth factors to slow down aging, but they won't make your big dogs smaller.
They're still going to be big. We're not creating medium Danes or anything.
The road to getting the drugs into paws across the country is a long one. Loyal still needs to do more research, show its drug actually increases a dog's lifespan, and provide more safety and manufacturing data for the FDA to vet. The FDA declined to provide a statement on the drug, saying it couldn't comment on applications in progress. And Loyal's not alone. Other researchers are hot on the trail to sniff out their own version. The Dog Aging Project is looking into the drug rapamycin.
Rapamycin in the laboratory has been shown to increase healthy lifespan in mice and worms and flies. And we're interested in whether it can increase healthy lifespan in dogs.
Whether or whenever these drugs go to market, there'll be plenty of owners whose ears perk up at the idea.
I would consider, depending on, what kind of clinical trials have they done.
Others less sure about a first-of-its-kind medication.
You can't know if the dog would want to. I would feel uncomfortable about doing that.
One bioethicist echoing concerns, saying drugs like these are taking the eye off the ball.
If you think about golden retrievers, those dogs have lowered their lifespan over the past years because of breeding for particular traits. There's so much more that we could do to improve dogs' lives.
The desire to keep a dog alive longer mirrors goals we have for our own species, with researchers working on drugs that could extend human life expectancy by years or even decades.
If you ask me, do I want to live longer, I would say yes.
For now, the focus is on more tail wagging. Though it's up in the air when Tilly and Ozzy and Yeti's time will be up, eventually, all dogs go to heaven.
Valerie is joining us now. And to be clear, right, years and years of work that these companies have got to start doing before this is even a possibility for, your dog or my dog or somebody else's dog, right?
Or my parents' dog, exactly. You're not going to see this at your vet's office anytime soon. There are still a lot of regulatory hurdles that this will have to pass, a lot of clinical trials. There will need to be a thorough review by the FDA. But, Hallie, there is some hope that there could be a conditional approval by 2026.
Valerie Castro, thank you very much for that. Still to come here on the show, a lot more to get to, including Taylor Swift, queen of Spotify Wrapped. But she's not the only one on top. We're checking that list twice.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.